डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 11th लेसन 9 सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज लेक्चर 1। आज का टॉपिक है अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। उससे पहले हम देखेंगे सीक्वेंस कहते किसे हैं। सम नंबर्स अरेंज्ड इन ए डेफिनिट ऑर्डर according to a definite rule are said to form a sequence। नंबर्स की अरेंजमेंट इन डेफिनेट ऑर्डर और अकॉर्डिंग टू ए डेफिनेट रूल जो एक सीक्वेंस को फॉर्म करता है। सेकंड है हमारा सीरीज किसे कहते हैं। लेट A1 A2 A3 up to AN be sequence, then the expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AN is known as series। अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है? A sequence in which each term differ from its preceding term by a constant is called an arithmetic progression written as AP। अगर सभी टर्म्स का डिफरेंस अगर कांस्टेंट हो तो हम उस सीक्वेंस को अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन कहते हैं। जैसे 8, 11, 14, 17, 20। फर्स्ट डिफरेंस जो कि A2 माइनस A1 3 है। सेकेंड डिफरेंस A3 minus A2 3। Third difference 17 minus 14 3। Clearly D1 D2 D3 all are same, difference are so constant, so the given sequence are in AP। In AP, first term A1, second A2, A3 up to AN। Difference we find AN plus 1 minus AN, that is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, etc. General term, that is nth term, is AN equal to A plus n minus 1 D। Next formula is sum to n term of AP, that is indicated as Sn, is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d। Also Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, where a is first term, d is common difference, n is number of terms. An stand for nth term of AP. Sn is sum to n terms of AP. Now we have a problem 1. How many terms of AP minus 6, minus 11, minus 5 are needed to give the sum minus 25. Given AP is minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5. So first term is minus 6. Common difference d equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 11 by 2 and A1 is, that is A minus 6. So after simplify, d get 1 by 2. Sum to n terms, sum to n terms is Sn given minus 25. Formula of Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. After the compute the values of a, d and Sn, we get n is 5 or 20. There is both possible because sequence is sometimes are negative and sometimes are positive. So there is n is 5 or 20 both possible. Next problem is problem 2. If sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164, find the value of m. Given that Sn is 3n square plus 5n and am, that is mth term, is 164. So we did find m. Now we use some formula. S1 means first term, that is sum of one term means first term. S2 means sum of first two terms, that is a1 plus a2. Also a2 is a plus d. So now in Sn we put n is 1. We get S1 is 8. S1 is 8 means a is 8. Again in Sn we put n equal to 2. So we get S2 is 22. But S2 is also written as a1 plus a2. a1 plus a2. Also a2 is written as a plus d. So a2 replaces as a plus d, but a is 8. So we get 8 plus 8d is equal to 22. After solve we get days 6. Now given that mth term, that is 164. So we use the formula a plus m minus 1 d is equal to 164. Compute the value of a d, we get m is 32. Problem third, if the third term is of AP is 18 and seventh term is 30, find 17th term. Since nth term is a plus n minus 1 d, therefore a3 is a plus 3 minus 1 d. So a3 is a plus 2d, which is 18. Also a7 is a plus 6d, which is given as 30. After simplify, we get days 3. Compute the value in any equation, that is a plus 2d is 18 or a plus 6d is 13. We putting, hence we get a is 12 and hence 17th term is a plus 16d. After the compute the value of a and d, we get 17th term is 60.